Welcome back to our training videos on the new features and functions of our VIA online application from NTP Distribution. Hello, my name is Mark Jensen, and this video is going to focus on InSight. InSight is our enhanced parts breakdown application that will enable you to find the pieces and parts that you need to get your customers up and back on the road. So the screen that we're looking at right now is the VIA homepage, which hopefully you're familiar with at this point if you've watched the other videos. But to go to InSight, again, we want to use our top navigation bar as shown right here. This is where most of your navigation should take place. So at the top bar, I'm going to click on InSight. And the first thing you'll see is the InSight logo directing you over here to this left side menu bar. This is where you're going to get started. So we've got our search page where you can do some advanced search capabilities, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. Also, you've got the different categories of products and then a link to a little bit of an FAQ on InSight itself. So, and that's really how we get started. So it's pretty simple. Let's say we want to look at a fifth wheel hitch. We want to look at a Reese, and we want to look at the Reese 14K. We go ahead and click on that, and you can see the menu bar here shows you where you're at. The other thing to notice is at the top here, this also shows the navigation. So you've got from your index to fifth wheel hitches, Reese brand to the 14K model. Maybe the 14K wasn't really what I wanted. I can go over here to the menu bar and search for what I'm looking for. Or I can go just say I want to go back to Reese and just see the models that are available to me. So maybe I want to see the 20K. Click on that. And what you can see then is we've got the full breakdown of the part, as well as the listing of all the parts at the bottom. So you can see many of these already have an NTP part number, and if what I was looking for is number 26, which is basically the head, I can go down here and see that number 26, manufacturer number 58099, head only for the 20K. The 453640 is the number, and that number is also the NTP part number, which, as you can see with the underline, it is a link that will take you to VIA and give you the enhanced description, warehouse availability, and allow you to put that in your cart. The other nice thing to remember is that whether you're on InSight, on our catalog, in Partner Central, or at VIA Home, wherever you put items into your cart, it is one consolidated shopping cart that enables you to take care of your various purchases that you need depending upon the context with which you find them on our VIA product. So let me move on. Let me show you a refrigerator. So I come down here on my menu, I go to refrigerator. I'm going to take a look at a Norcold 1200 AC, and I continue to use my side menu. I see the 1200 series. I click on the 1200 AC, and I want to take a look at the overview. So on the overview, you can see up above we have our trail, index refrigerators, Norcold 1200 series, model 1200 AC. I can go back and forth either with that or with the side menu. With this, we also have the owner's manual available for you. We have the installation manual, and we have a parts list of all the components that comprise this refrigerator. The other thing you'll see is all of the breakdowns that are available. So as I look at this model 1200, I get the picture of it, I get some of the features of the model, but we have broken this entire refrigerator down into 9 different breakdowns. So maybe I just have a problem with the cooling unit assembly. So I'm going to go up here to my breakdowns, I'm going to select cooling unit assembly, and you'll notice that all of the breakdowns for the parts for that overall refrigerator are still available, still got the owner's manual, etc. It's just now that I've added another step to my trail. I come down here, I look at my cooling unit assembly. Maybe what I've got wrong here is the drip cup. I need to replace the drip cup here, number 7. I can see number 7 down here. I got the manufacturer's number, and I can just click on this and go ahead and select that and put that in my cart from that position right there. So as you can see, finding what you're looking for with an InSight is very easy. One of the things that I like the most about it is our search capability. So I click on the search box, pulls up a search window, and what I'm going to look for is, I'm going to say the brand is a Norcold. And it's a cooling unit. What do I got? Go ahead and search. Now this shows me all of the cooling units that belong to a Norcold, and maybe that's more than I want to look for. So the other thing I do know is that the model has 1200 in it. So I hit 1200, I put it in the model, I hit search. Ah, that's more manageable. So now I've got the cooling unit for the 1200 AC and the 1200 LR. They both happen to be the same item. It happens that the same part number works for both of these units. So what this tells you then is also not only can I find the cooling unit that I'm looking for, I can narrow it down based upon the search capabilities, and then once I get here I can click on this one to take me right back to the cooling unit assembly breakdown that we looked at a few minutes ago. So it's another way of getting back to what we were looking for. Another nice feature on this is I can clear these out. And if I want to know everything that part number works in, I can do that. And it tells me that it works in the 1200 AC, the 1200 LR, and the 1201 LR. So I know that with that one part, I've got the cooling unit assembly for 3 different models of refrigerators. And that completes our introductory tour of InSight. I hope you can see through the video that we put a lot of effort into making this product as easy to use as possible to find the parts you need to get your customers up and back on the road. For us at NTP, InSight is a project that will never be completed. We will strive to continue to provide greater depth and breadth of product, manuals, and all the information you need to repair those things that we sell. And also, the use of InSight is free just for having an account on VIA with NTP. I hope this has helped you. Thank you.